So now friends, we will learn how to join two series in Pandas. In Pandas, you have joined two series using the concat method. The concat method allows you to concatenate two or more Pandas objects such as series or data frame. So here we will understand about data frame, and we can even join them according to the axis also. So let's see the example here. First of all, we have to import the Pandas. Then we will have to create two series like S1, S2. And then we can join them in the third one, which is S3 new variable, and we will just use the pd.concat and add them and print that. Similarly, if you want to add tool along with the axis, in that case we have to specify the axis, like we will import pandas as pd, then we have to create two variable where we have stored our series. pd.series s need to be capital, that we should keep in mind. And then again we will create the another series, and after that what we will do, we will create a third one, pd.concat, and we have given an axis also, the axis is equal to 12, and print that. So now we will go to our Jupyter notebook screen and create and join these series. So now friends, we are in our Jupyter notebook screen. So first of all we will import your pandas as np pd. So I will put pd here. Then next thing is, like, we will create we have to, in this we will create two series. So I will just give here create. First of all we will create two series. To create series, first of all we will create a variable s1 and equal to pd dot, and here we will write series, and then I will give some element inside that, like 1 2 3 and 4. I will give 4 element here. Next I will copy this and create another one and change its name to s2, and then I will change the values also here. And I will give 7, here I will give 8. So these are our two series, and now we want to add them, to join them, to join the two series along the column. So we will do it along the column. Join the two series along the columns, and for that I will create another series s3 equal to pd dot concat is the command, and here I will give s1 comma s2, and then I will print this, and then what I will do, I will print this. So I will go here, print s3 and just run. So we can add these series. Similarly, if we want to add them, I will just copy this again. From here I will copy this along the axis. If we want to, sorry, I will just add this here, and here wait, join, one second, join series along with axis. So what we need to do in that case, what we need to do, we have to define our series like where we want to join. So axis need to be given, so that in our case it will be like, I will put a comma here and put axis equal to 1, and then what I will do, I will run this now. It will giving an error, so I will just put here, and this is the equal to here. So now we have add according to the axis, like it is from 0 1 2 3 4 5, and that's all we have. Beside that, if we want to add them, I will just give s1 plus s2. We can even perform this task also. I will give print here, and just this is basically for adding, like joining, and this is basically for adding. So I will just click this. So this will add our series like 6, 8, 10, 14. So it will add all the numbers 6, 8, 10, 14, 12, sorry. And this is our indexing. So that's all in this video.